What is up? It's your boy here bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got another modification. Boys, we're on a roll. Modification after modification to the brand new Toyota Tacoma. We don't even have real plates on her yet. Speaking of which, I was supposed to pick those up like 3 weeks ago, but today we got a special one because this modification is very important. I think I should have done it a long time ago, but we've been working on other things. Slowly but surely we'll get this finished up. Today we are removing this wind visor, wind dam, wind guard, whatever you want to call it. It's supposed to help out with MPGs. Now for the people who want a before and after test, I'm going to do that in today's video, but let me start with this. I'm going to do a short one. We're going to do around 2.8 miles of trip. Now it's going to be city trip, and with that being said, I don't think that's going to do anything. I don't think it's going to vary, if at all, a very little bit. Now the reason I say this, I'm pretty sure this is for high speed driving. I don't think it's for going to a stop sign and then stopping, going to a red light and then stopping. I think this is more highway cruising. That's where you see a difference. So for the people interested in that, I'll put that in a video whenever I take this bad boy back to the beach. So with that being said, let's see what I averaged with this on. All right, cool. So we're gonna go off trip B. We're gonna reset it just to be at 0-0, just so you guys can see that it's gonna be as fair as we can. So we're gonna go on the same route. We're gonna do the same driving, try to keep it as even as we can. Obviously traffic does make a little bit of a difference. All right, so we just finished the trip. As you can see, 2.8 miles. On the second trip without it, we're going to try to do exactly 2.8 miles. Now as you can see, 16.9 was the average fuel economy. Now this is city driving, just keep that in mind. 16.9 is what we averaged with it on. Let's see what we get without it. So now let's go ahead and remove that wind dam. If you're interested in the removal of this, I will show you how to do it. I did have to go to Walmart to pick up a set of tools. It was like 12 bucks, so it's not expensive, but I'll tell you what, for 13 bucks, you're gonna absolutely change the front end of your truck. In my whole adult life, this is gonna be the first set of tools I've actually ever bought. 21, all right, 21, let's see. Let me know how old you were when you bought your first tools. Hyper tough. Now, I know if my dad was watching this, he'd probably be not too happy with me as he buys, you know, the good stuff, but 12 bucks, you can't turn it down. It does what I need it to do. So this right here is the measurement for the one you're gonna need. All right, so we're taking out one. This didn't have to come off. 2 screws right here. Seems like that was it. These do have clips, so remember that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 and 7. So let's get those bad boys off. 1, 2, 3. Coming along, it's coming along. 4, 5. Now these are harder to get out just because there's a lot more weight put on them because they're slanted over. I lost count. We're at like 12 already.
So again, just make sure you put them all back on.
We got the most horrendous piece of plastic off of the Tacoma. I haven't even seen it yet. I'm not gonna take a step back until I get all my screws back in. Let's get the vegetables out the way. Let's put the tools away first. That goes there, this goes here. And I believe this goes right there. Wow, this is gonna stay neat all of like 2 weeks. Now we gotta put this bad boy away. Let me know, do you guys think it's gonna be a drastic change? I've done it once before and I was very, very impressed with how it came out. Oh, do you like it?
I love it.
As Sandy said in the last video, you can see it's private. I don't think the lighting is doing it justice. I don't know. And honestly, right now, I think the side steps are doing me not so good. It looks better without the dam and the side steps versus the dam and the side steps, if you get what I'm saying. It just looked like it had way too much going on. Is anyone else getting an itch for a Viper cut? Because I am. I'm kidding. It's the little things, I tell you, it's the little things. Now, we gotta go drive it. We have to take a look and see what the MPGs are. I personally don't think it's gonna be anything crazy. Let me know. I'm gonna do the same 2.8 miles of traveling without the wind guard, wind visor, wind dam, whatever you wanna call it. I don't know. I mean, it literally looks like it has a lift with some skinny tires. We gotta put some bigger wheels and some bigger tires on this bad boy. All right, so the truck is on. 16.9 is what we averaged last time. Let's go ahead and reset this bad boy. So we're gonna run the same exact route just so that people aren't saying, Aang, you didn't drive the same route, so the miles per gallons are gonna be different. TRD Pro, just sitting there, chilling like a beast.
Yeah, it is.
Shoo. All right, so the trip home was a little bit longer. I don't know why. I think it's because one way of my neighborhood you can't exit and you can't re-enter that way. You have to go make a big loop around. So we're at 3.1. And we've gone up a little bit more hills, so we should be at a disadvantage here. So let me know what you guys think. Did we get better? Did we get worse? 17.2. So we went up 0.3 miles. So I don't know, we did better. I thought we were gonna do worse, like by a lot. So what do you think? I still don't know what I got because, well, I'm recording this before I leave the parking lot. I don't think it's gonna be that much of a difference. That's how confident I am that I can record this after. If anything, it's gonna be better. Did I get it wrong? I probably look like a clown right now. With that being said, let me know, how long did it take for you to do this modification? Everybody in the comments was like blowing me up. Aang, how have you not taken that off? Aang, how have you not done this? It's gone. It's no longer with us. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. We're getting so close to 2.5K subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing on all of my videos. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm Outy like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.